Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble, and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to you must enable system protection on this device error. So this error occurs whenever we are restoring or we are trying to restore system to its system restore point, and we do get error on the system restore point page. So we have to troubleshoot this issue, and to troubleshoot this issue we have to do certain steps and to follow certain methods. So let's go ahead and check out how we can troubleshoot this particular issue. So this is my Windows 10 computer, and in Windows 10 computer I'm going to restart the machine in the advanced boot options. If you are already in the advanced boot options, you can follow the steps along with me. So I'm going to right click on this Windows and then go to settings. In the Windows and settings, click on update and security, click on recovery options. So in the recovery options, you will get advanced startup option over here, and I have to click on restart now. But if you are not able to log in into your computer, you can follow other methods like starting the computer and interrupting the boot process for 2 to 3 times, and you would get advanced recovery options. Or else if you are on the login screen, you can just click on the power options by pressing shift key on the keyboard and restart the computer. So I'm using this option for me. I'm going to restart now, and it will restart the computer in the advanced boot options. So now I have to click on troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see advanced options. Click on this troubleshoot, then go to advanced options. You would find 6 options over here: startup repair, uninstall updates, startup settings, system restore, command prompt, and then system image recovery. I have to click on command prompt because I have to run some commands over here. Click on command prompt. It will ask you account permissions now. Click on Nilesh, whatever user account you have, type password, click on continue. So once you open command prompt, you have to type net space start vss, then hit enter key. So volume shadow copy service is starting, and it is started successfully. On the next line, you have to enter one of the command, that is rstrui.exe space / offline :c Windows is equals to active, and then hit enter. So you would see system restore box is currently open, and click on next, and you would then find the issue is resolved, and you can just click on next, select the restore point and click on next. So this is the system restore point I created on my computer, and then I would be able to restore this system restore point. So if I click on next, and then if I choose this system to restore on this point of time, and then I'm just going to click on next, and you would find that this is the time on which the system would be restored. So currently I'm not going to do this because I have to show you next troubleshooting step. So I'm going to hit the cancel button. If you want to restore your computer, then you definitely click on finish, and then wait for system to restore on the system restore point. So I'm going to click on cancel, and then click on exit. Click on exit and continue. So if this troubleshooting method doesn't works for you, we have to follow another troubleshooting method, and another troubleshooting method is to rename some of the registry settings. So if the first troubleshooting method doesn't works for you, you have to follow another troubleshooting method, and to follow another troubleshooting method, you have to follow same method to boot the computer into advanced boot options, and then try to open the command prompt from there. So I have already opened the command prompt, and then type the command cd space %system root %system32, then \config, hit enter. So the directory is changed to config, and now I would check what are there on this directory. So I would have to rename these two directories, software and system. So I will type run space system2 system.001 and hit enter. So the directory has been renamed to system001. Also I will have to rename software directory software space software.001. Hit enter. So it is giving me error that the process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. So if the second troubleshooting method doesn't work for you, you have to click on search box and then type cmd, then click on run as administrator, click on yes, and then type net start space vss, hit enter. So this service is already started. Then you can just stop the service and then again start it and check if the issue is resolved or not, or just type sysdm.cpl, hit enter, click on system protection. You have to check if the system protection is currently on or not. If the system protection is currently not on or not configured, you would not be able to restore your computer to the system restore point. So first of all, you have to create a system restore point, and then only you would be able to restore the computer to the system restore point. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.